Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the LEGO City Monster Truck, the set 60402. The set is packed with action and I can't wait to build it and see how it works. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Inside we have 148 pieces, which makes it a quick and fun build. A driver minifigure who is ready to take his monster truck for a ride. And of course the massive wheels, which are must have for the any monster truck. Now let's get building. And here it is, the LEGO City Monster Truck. This thing looks awesome. Overall, the LEGO City Monster Truck is a great little set for both kids and collectors. It's fun, easy to build and perfect for monster truck fans. What do you think? Let me know in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future LEGO builds.